风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们加入客家风情，一起发现客家之美。
也下巴谈的是讲得出，晓得拖，做得下嘅长途有幾好嘅呢？我用白音聽咯，繼續來靠行年嚟嘅認真啦，也還有基礎、初中、中高、老高級5點，大家上來試看下冇
？Learn a new language, gain a new skill. To enhance the use of the Hakka language and encourage everyone to learn, the Hakka Affairs Council is offering the certification of Hakka language proficiency. The certification is divided into 5 levels: basic, elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, and advanced. The exam includes listening, speaking, and reading tests to assess participants' abilities in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Those who obtain certification can improve their professional competitiveness and contribute to the preservation and promotion of the Hakka language.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。就像我们这个单元呢，名称叫 Talk About Hakka，就是要说出客语哦。你刚刚讲了，我听得懂讲了一个语言非常重要的4环，就是听说读写。
对，唐、讲、托、下这4个是所以学语言的最重要的4个步骤了
而且你提到的是一个客语的认证，
客语认证已经办了很多年了总共5个等级，就是基础、初级、中级、中高级，最近呢还有加进了这个高级的认证。这个高级考试它是从这2022年开始的有通过了6个人。那去年呢，总共有743位考生报名，也是通过6个人，所以那个通过率大概只有1.32%，非常的低可以说是考过高级了，就像考状元一样。
不过呢，拿到这个认证呢，除了可能在教育这方面呢可以来应用之外，在职业的发展啦，甚至只是一个文化的传承呢，都达到一些目的在。
没错，所以像很多的学校啦，除了有上这个母语课程之外呢，那在职业方面呢，除了工作上面会用得到，像公务单位其实有服务一些老人家，他们也会有特别去训练，鼓励这个公务员去考这个客语认证，然后能学习一些公务上的客语，然后能跟老人家来做对话，拉近距离。
的确有这个需求啦好，那干脆就来再教一次听说读写这4环怎么说了OK How do you say reading, speaking, writing, and listening?
唐、讲、托、下。
唐 that's listening, gong that's speaking, tok that's reading, and sha is writing. And there you have it. Maybe one day you can take this Hakka test and see what level you're at. Thank you for listening.
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.